Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recent updates, many iPhone users have faced a frustrating problem after upgrading to iOS 26. The dreaded error message that reads, "This iPhone encountered an issue while starting. If your iPhone suddenly gets stuck on this screen, don't panic." This problem is more common than it seems, and there are several reliable methods to bring your device back to life safely and quickly. This issue generally occurs when the iPhone fails to boot properly after an update, restore, or unexpected power loss. In some cases, it may be due to system corruption, an incomplete iOS installation, or low storage space that interrupted the startup process. Essentially, the phone attempts to start, but something in its system files prevents it from completing the boot cycle. Fortunately, this doesn't necessarily mean your device is permanently damaged, and several practical fixes can help you resolve it. The first and simplest step to try is a force restart. This often clears out temporary glitches that might be preventing your iPhone from starting correctly. For iPhone 8 or newer models, the process involves quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then doing the same with the volume down button, and finally holding down the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait for a minute or two after the logo shows up. If your iPhone successfully boots up, the issue is resolved. However, if the problem persists, the next method might help. If a force restart fails, the next option is to put your iPhone into recovery mode and restore or update it using a computer. To do this, connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC using a Lightning cable. Then perform the same button sequence used for a force restart, but this time keep holding the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On your computer, open Finder Si on Mac or iTunes, say on Windows. You'll be prompted to either update or restore your iPhone. Choose Update first. This option reinstalls iOS 26 without erasing your data. If the update doesn't work, choose Restore to perform a clean installation of the system software. Be sure to back up your data before doing this if possible. Should recovery mode also fail, a more advanced solution known as DFU mode, device firmware update may be required. DFU mode bypasses the normal boot process entirely and reinstalls iOS from the ground up. To enter DFU mode, connect your iPhone to your computer, quickly press the volume up button, then volume down, and hold the side button until the screen goes black. Once it's black, continue holding the side button while pressing the volume down button for about 5 seconds. Release the side button, but keep holding volume down for another 10 seconds. The screen should remain black. This means you've successfully entered DFU mode. From there, open iTunes or Finder and select Restore iPhone to reinstall iOS 26 completely. If none of these software solutions work, the problem might be hardware related. A damaged motherboard, battery, or logic chip could be responsible for preventing your iPhone from starting up properly. In such case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit the nearest Apple store. Trained technicians can run diagnostic tests to determine the cause and repair any hardware faults that might be affecting your device. While this iPhone encountered an issue while starting, error can be alarming. It is often fixable by following the steps in order, beginning with a force restart, then trying recovery mode, and finally DFU mode. You have a high chance of restoring your iPhone to normal functionality, and if all else fails, professional assistance from Apple can resolve any deeper issues. With patience and the right approach, your iPhone will be up and running again in no time.